How to save money on marriage without notice of guests. When you are arranging wedding, expenses can include rapidly, and before you know it, you have busted your financial plan. Each couple is searching for approaches to spare cash on their wedding, yet nobody needs to be marked as a modest. The test comes in discovering approaches to lessen your wedding expense without your visitors having a capacity to tell that you have spared. The accompanying tips will offer you some assistance with finding approaches to cut expenses without giving up style on your enormous day. Make your own wedding invitations. Regardless of the fact that you are not a prepared visual fashioner, there are copious online assets that offer free wedding welcome formats for you to alter for your huge day. From spare the dates to wedding projects, the paper plans you had always wanted are regularly only a speedy web seek away. Printable wedding welcomes give the couple the ability to make their wedding welcomes themselves, and adjustable formats that permit the couple to enter their own wedding subtle elements and data. An included advantage of these DIY wedding welcomes is that the couple can print precisely the same number of as they need, following there is no base request sum like with a customary stationery shop. This alternative additional offers adaptability to print the plans on the home printer or neighborhood print shop, contingent upon monetary allowance the couple needs to work with. Make DIY wedding decor. Reuse the upcycle regular things from around your home to transform them into imaginative DIY wedding stylistic layout. You will be stunned at the lovely pieces you can make utilizing things you would generally toss as a part of the junk or reusing canister. Such a large number of family unit things can be changed into excellent stylistic layout things with the assistance of a little splash paint or Fevicol, and it doesn't need to cost you much cash. You can, without much a stretch, do this for your wedding. Ask your family and companions to spare their wine containers, pickle jugs, jam mugs, glass pop jugs, milk jugs, and different glass things to offer you some assistance with stocking up on crystal to embellish your huge day. At that point, give each of the things a fast in and out makeover with some paint or other cunning components to consummately facilitate them for your enormous day. Shop in bulk or at used stores. Shopping in mass can offer noteworthy investment funds. Regardless of it, the things are extensive or little. You can get a sizable rebate on things like cutlery, dishes, napkins, drinks, and more at mass stores. Make certain to likewise look at your nearby bug markets and thrift stores for things you could use as wedding stylistic theme. Buy stylistic theme things, accent, or even your place settings to save money or rental expense for your wedding day. You are likely to discover things that will be awesome for a vintage or natural wedding at your nearby used shops. Regardless of where you look for your enormous day, you can recover some of your expenses by offering things after the wedding is over. Exchange any things you won't need going ahead or give them to philanthropy for an expense finding. Make custom wine labels. On the off chance that your financial plan is tight, you might need to eliminate your bar offerings. Serving just brew and wine is extremely regular tip for lessening expense for your wedding gathering. In the event that you need to shave much more dollars off your tab, make sure to pick a less costly wine to serve at your gathering. There are huge funds to be had on the off chance that you buy your own wine from mass alcohol stores, so make sure to consider them as a choice while doing your shopping. Make a fake wedding cake. Make your own artificial wedding cake for enriching purpose, and then serve your visitors sheet cake. Most cake cooks value their cake in light of the time included in brightening, notwithstanding the size, so serving sheet cake requiring insignificant improvement will hold expenses down. To take the reserve funds significantly further, consider a supermarket cake at a far and away superior cost on sheet cakes. You can likewise settle on cupcakes for an extraordinary single-serving alternative. Skirt the wedding DJ. On the off chance that you are searching for an approach to reduce your costs, setting up an incredible playlist for your gathering is something you can without much of stretch to yourself. There are awesome administrations that you can use to set up your particular wedding music in a more advantageous manner. In the event that you choose to go the DIY wedding DJ course, simply try to test everything beforehand and have somebody assigned to regulate the playlist if there arose an occurrence of any specialized issues on enormous day. Get things for your wedding as opposed to purchasing new. Who says you are something acquired must be a thing you wear on the day of your wedding? Think about any family or companions who have things that they may feel distinctive need on your huge day. Some conceivable things to group source incorporate extravagant refreshment distributors, cake stands, sweet smorgasbord container, cake serving sets, champagne wood wines, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Get these unnecessary things from your loved ones as opposed to buying them only for the day of your wedding. In doing as such, you will spare cash and make a more individual presentation of stylistic layout. Simply make a point to give back all the things in condition that you got them. Not just will these thoughts make a wonderful wedding day, they will likewise spare you cash. Experiments with some of these thoughts to mask your wedding reserves funds, and your visitors will be unaware of the same.